Hello, everyone. My name is Raimond, and Bruntor is the game-changing solution for urban logistics. Customers demanding faster deliveries, rising costs, and traffic jams are pushing delivery companies to find new ways how they can deliver. And the options they can use today are limited. Push trolleys, they are heavy and it's hard to maneuver in the city when fully loaded. And electric bikes, well, good solution, but even with those, postal services struggle to find enough employees to do the job. And that's where Bruntor can help. Bruntor is electric four-wheeled cargo kick scooter, which is very simple and easy to use. It is a stand-up solution, and it makes deliveries actually 40% faster when we compare it with the bicycle, and even 15% faster when we are comparing it with the van. Doesn't matter if we have to go back and reload it throughout the day. Bruntor is still ahead of the van. With 10 times less energy cost in a day, we can deliver the same amount of deliveries as a van can. And if Bruntor is used instead of bicycles or trolleys, the same team will be able to double the amount of deliveries with ease, which they do normally per day. And the job will become more accessible for others as the physical load is reduced. Bruntor will not take over deliveries from the vans completely, but Bruntor can take over deliveries of small and medium-sized packages, letters, and newspapers more efficient than the cargo bikes. How do we know that? We have made experiments in winter and during this springtime. And each time Bruntor did leave our competitors behind. Even when we were delivering 50 parcels in Riga in the spring and competing with professional cargo bike riders and the van riders, Bruntor was the first one at the finish line. And guess what? I was not tired. But the cargo driver, he was struggling to keep up with the speed. This is still the slide before. But anyways, you can see that we can completely cover those 5 kilometers with ease. So the last mile delivery transportation market did reach 200 billion euros last year. And we have started already in Latvia, where the market opportunity is worth 8 million euros in postal delivery sector. We will be working with companies like Latvia National Post, Royal Mail, and others, and they will be able to buy or rent our products in the long term. And additional revenues will be made from software subscriptions and maintenance support. Our growth we can cut in 3 stages. We are at the stage 1. We did start with this idea in April last year. 6 months later, we sold our first prototype to Latvia National Post, which is used in Riga for parcel and letter deliveries at the moment. In the second stage, the other industries will follow. Actually, we are having more than 12 companies waiting for pilot tests in Latvia, and then it will be available for shared mobility. In team, we are 3. Elvi is my co-founder and business manager. Jānis is product designer, and I'm a mechanical engineer and the CEO of the company. We have done as much as we could, but we are now looking for piloting partners and 500,000 euro investment. And Build It Accelerator is supporting us in this round with 20% already. We will use this investment to make our vehicle to become the ultimate last mile delivery vehicle in urban areas.
I can start. Thank you very much for this. Funny enough, before Super 73, I actually had a cargo utility scooter company, so I'm quite familiar with this product. But I'm glad that we were a little bit too early for our time. So I'm glad that you're starting this up. I see a lot of opportunity here. I like how you used 4 wheels. I think that helps with stability. And my question is, where do you plan on manufacturing this?
Well, we plan to manufacture mostly in Latvia, because Latvia has already the background from mechanics, from the metal works. Also, we're having large companies building electronic devices, so we can combine all the resources to build this one there.
Okay. Maybe one question following up on the manufacturing. So how proprietary is all your hardware? Do you build everything yourself, or do you build on existing kick scooter, I guess? Or
Not exactly. We are designing the parts, we are outsourcing the manufacturing, and we are doing the final assembly ourselves to ensure the quality.
okay, so you're not designing all the parts itself, because I know many startups that try to do that, but it's
No,
very expensive.
we don't
very
design at the beginning, we take the off-shelf parts which we can use, and then slowly we are looking how we have to improve. So part by part, we are going to do ourselves
right, very
with the
expensive.
time.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, maybe from my side, thanks for the presentation. I saw your vehicle driving through the streets of Barcelona, I think
Yeah.
it was. Can you share a little bit more about the current traction you have? Are you already on the streets or is it
Yes,
pilot phase?
we are. You can see our vehicle used by Latvian National Post in Riga, and just yesterday we did close consortium with Post Nord to start piloting our solution in Sweden. And also we are speaking with different companies from other sectors. Basically, next month we start piloting with them as well. So there is a DPD partner in Latvia. There is Volt, who is willing to trial test for their solution. So, yeah.
Excellent.